In the highly speculative world of cryptocurrencies, price volatility is a common experience that makes investing in crypto very challenging, even for the most experienced traders. Many traders find themselves buying assets at the very top, while others try to catch a falling knife and get stuck somewhere between, with no choice but to hold or sell at a significant loss. Eventually, everyone learns that trying to time the markets correctly is more or less impossible. However, there is an investment strategy that can help traders make the most of a volatile market and maximize profits long term. It's called dollar cost averaging, or DCA. The concept of DCA is simple. A trader invests fixed amount in an asset at regular intervals over a certain period of time, regardless of price. This can potentially lower the average cost of the investment and provide greater returns when the market price surges again. Now, while this strategy is most commonly applicable only on centralized exchanges and is a manual process for the most part, there is a decentralized solution on the Solana blockchain that offers an even better experience. Meet Jupiter, a leading liquidity aggregator on Solana with a wide variety of amazing tools including DCA. With Jupiter, anyone can now invest in their favorite Solana-based assets with its native DCA feature and make the most out of their capital with just a few clicks. So how can you get started with Jupiter's DCA platform? First, let's head to the Jupiter homepage and click on the DCA tab, where you will be met with a simple user-friendly interface ready to execute your DCA strategy. Next, let's connect our wallet to Jupiter and ensure we have the assets we want to use for our strategy and some SOL tokens for gas. Once that's done, let's select our choice token to allocate, which in this case is the USDT stablecoin, and then select the token we wish to buy over time. Next, we decide how often we want to buy these assets. It could be minutes, days, or even months. All that flexibility within your control. After that, let's choose the number of orders we want our capital to be spread across. What's more interesting is that Jupiter gives you even more control over your strategies. By toggling the Enable Pricing Strategy button on, Jupiter allows you to set a price range where your orders will always be executed. This is great for getting more optimal prices and avoiding DCA orders at unfavorable price regions. Once all that is set, we can now see a summary of our entire strategy, and when we're ready, let's click Start DCA and confirm the transaction in our wallet. We will immediately be able to see our current strategies in the Active DCAs tab and monitor the overall progress of our game plan. If we feel like it, we can cancel the DCA at any time and have our funds back in our wallet automatically. It's fast, it's easy, and it's decentralized. No more FOMO at all-time highs, and no more being stuck at mid-range prices of a downward trend. With Jupiter's DCA platform, you can now enjoy automatic stress-free investments geared towards your success in crypto trading on Solana. If you're ready to jump in, visit the link today to get started.